Hello, I am Neel Mehta, Director and Co-founder of Asteria Aerospace Limited. At Asteria, we specialize in transforming aerial data into actionable intelligence through our comprehensive drone technology stack. We pride ourselves in developing deeply customized solutions by leveraging our in-house capabilities in hardware design, software development, and scale manufacturing. Our journey began with a passion for aerospace and innovation. Both my co-founder and I have extensive aerospace experience working in multinational corporations in the US. Back in 2011, when we started Asteria, drones were still an academic R&D field, but both of us recognized the transformative potential that this technology would have on multiple industries. Also at that time, India was one of the largest importers of defense drones, and we felt that the country had to be self-reliant on developing capabilities in this domain. We saw this as a unique opportunity to utilize our experience and knowledge to start something in this domain, and that culminated in Asteria. Though initially we were focused on developing only drone hardware, we evolved to be a complete comprehensive drone solutions provider, integrating our cutting-edge hardware with software and analytics to provide valuable insights. Our vision is to be recognized as a global leader in drone technology with a focus on innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. Asteria operates a state-of-the-art engineering and manufacturing facility at Bangalore, which is spread over 28,000 square feet. This facility meets our current demand and can be scaled up to meet future demand as well. Our quality management system is ISO 9001 certified, and our R&D lab is recognized by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, which is a testament to our design and quality standards. We also have sales and support offices in Gurgaon and Mumbai, which caters to our diverse clientele. Our product portfolio includes a range of drones starting from micro-sized multi-rotor drones to fixed-wing, long-range VTOL drones, which are used for a variety of applications. We are among the first companies in the country to have 3 DGCA type certified drones, which is a testament to our commitment towards quality and compliance. Our teams work on designing drones that deliver reliable, best-in-class performance across a range of environments which are highly challenging, starting from the Himalayan ranges, which is 6,000 meters above mean sea level, to the hot and dusty climates of the Thar Desert. Beyond hardware products, Asteria has also developed a comprehensive cloud-based platform called SkyDeck, which can be used for drone data management. SkyDeck offers seamless flight planning and execution, drone data processing, and AI-based analytics to deliver valuable insights from drone data. We are a proud provider of drones to the Indian Armed Forces, who use our products extensively for surveillance and security operations, ranging from border security to counter-terrorism operations to homeland security. On the civil side, Asteria is proud to have been part of the Swamitva scheme launched by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, where our drones were used extensively for mapping thousands of villages across multiple states with the aim of providing digital property records to rural dwellers. In agriculture, Asteria's drones and software solutions have been used to digitize over 5,000 farms to monitor crop health and insurance purposes. In the oil and gas sector, Asteria's drones have flown over 10,000 kilometers of gas pipeline routes to monitor them for any encroachments, disturbances, or any integrity issues along the pipeline. Such solutions are driving the digital transformation of industries and are enhancing the traditional processes and operations with the use of on-demand area data. At Asteria, we maintain a customer-centric approach, working closely with our clients to develop deeply customized solutions, whether it is providing drones, software, or drones as a service. Looking towards the future, we aim to expand our product portfolio by developing new products and enhancing our existing ones to make our drones more capable and easy to use. We are also investing in developing industry-specific AI insights on our SkyDeck platform so that industries can make decisions on drone data with more ease than ever before. On the business side, we also aim to expand our reach outside of India, as there is a significant demand for our solutions globally. At the same time, we are committing to develop a local drone manufacturing ecosystem in India by working with component manufacturers, service providers, and training institutes to realize our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India, Make for the World.